이 형아 입을 왜 먹어? 미친놈이야. I guess my kids found the puppy pens. Who are you? No, 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 no.
No, él es rebelde. Él es rebelde.
¿Ella es rebelde?
Ella es rebelde. Yo no la veo problemática, la veo rebelde.
Oye,
Contestona.
I'm working. Nope, I'm working. No, I'm working. No. No, no.
Babe! Babe!
Get the sun between us.
Hello! Kevin, why did you let...
Bubby! Come here, Bubby! Oh, shit!
Ow!
Ow.
Did someone try to eat a bee? Yeah, they sure did.
Huh?
Quieto. Mira no.
Asco, perro.
¿Y fue?
Muito agressivo, perigo para as pessoas, principalmente para crianças.
Huh? Bro, what is this? Buy an expensive dog, they said. That's what you get. King, what is this? Marty, what is going on? Fix your face.
Go, Papa! Uy, uy!
Oh my God, my Shayla. My Shayla.
When I look at you, I can't believe it's true. You're all...
2 weeks ago, I slipped and fell at this exact spot while walking my dog. Ever since, whenever we come here, my dog just starts mocking me.
Here are 5 steps you can take to have an absolutely perfectly trained dog.
Louise. Whoa!
It's okay to, it's okay to have a, no, you did it.
Toca la puerta. No.
That dog really respects house rules.
Toca la puerta.
Капитан! Собака! У вас собака упала!
Sadie, thank you. Sadie! Gracie, that's Sadie May. Hey, Sadie. Okay, go elsewhere, Gracie.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Somebody feed me. No, dude, you gotta go in the door. You gotta go in the door. No, no. What the
Silver pan, you cannot tear it up.
Mama, Callie, don't you do it. Mama, stand up, go home.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
That ain't it. Right, Lexi, that's not it. She hates when you dance.
This? I bought this with money. I just gave money to somebody and they gave this to me.
What happened, right?
Come on, this way. Come on. All right, fine. We'll turn around. No, come on, Minnie. We gotta keep walking.
Rico, sit. Good boy.
estoy diciendo a ti que te calles y tú te callas. ¿Entendiste o no entendiste? Cállate.
Where you going?
First time at Home Depot. It's very exciting. Oh, good job.
Oh, princess. Princess, where are you? You can run, but you can't hide.
Oh my God. Глянь, что делает. Ой, Бозя, перед маленькими. Ой, Бозя упал, давай.
你给我杀！山山让我杀杀杀，拉拉队伍的穿搭，山山让我杀杀杀，台下人破一血压，山山让我杀杀杀，一变狼的二变花，山山让我杀杀杀，怪怪方法变变黄，山山让我杀杀杀，冲冲扎扎。
La perra no puede ser tan egoísta como vos, la perra.
No, yo no puedo creer.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Paw. Paw. Rhea, look, paw. New paw. Rhea, paw. Paw. Look. Paw.
¿Viste? El pendejo se cayó de hocico. Teddy, your friend's here.
Doesn't matter because I'm going to take a nap.
Vete.
Why do you do this to him? Why? He doesn't want your vajayjay on his face.
Dolly! Oh my God.
Buddy, Toby, come on. Come on.
是要关闭什么呢？你可以试试对我说关闭这。
You want this one?
So I just found out that the world doesn't revolve around me. I am quite shocked and very upset.
I was born a dog. I identify as a dog, but according to my mom, it's just a bit.
Go on, slide. Summer, slide. Summer, hug. Summer.
Jesus Christ.
Fuck you talking about, nigga? You a like hoe, nigga. Ain't no bitch fuck ass nigga. You a hoe, nigga. Came up on us, nigga. You ain't do.
Oh my God!
Tucker, place. Good boy, yes.
Where's your toy? No, the other one.
Did you?
Oh my God, I'm so hungover. I've never been this hungover. Are we dead?
So the road trip's going well.
I can't move.
There you go, Bailey.
Mira lo que has hecho. Milan. Mira lo que has hecho. Oye.
Ela foi, vai! Vai!
Oh Lord! Hold on, Big Daddy. Hey, all right, man.
Oh, look at my cool cup. You like it?
Where'd you get that?
From some really cool guys out at the home show.
How much did you pay?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
I'm sorry. I have to come home smelling like dogs sometimes. I do.
He's got the Zoomies. Oh my. Spider pig does whatever a spider pig does. Give it to me. Give it to me.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Is that your dad?
Morning hugs.
Ow!
Are we good friends?
So my dog is creeping up on me because I'll admit I just did something to piss her off.
Martha. Martha. I think you're suffocating Reg. Martha. Martha.
En este momento soy soltero, no, en este momento no tengo ninguna relación, no hay novia, y no tengo ningún compromiso con nadie, y la vida es sensacional.
She has walked around the tree, and I'm trying to walk around to untangle it, but she just keeps following me. So now we're just walking in circles. Steph, can you stop?
Oil, let him go. Let him ride his scooter, Oil. Oil!
Norman, get up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Get up.
I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch! You motherfucker! He grabbed that shit so quick.
I'm sorry. Barley.